What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we have a sponsored video by the guys over at, I'm probably butchering this name, Boslla, B-O-S-L-L-A. We are installing some new bulbs on our beloved Project Slow and Steady for my dad, who's kind enough to let me use it while we're waiting for my white truck to get back. Stay tuned guys, I have a big update on that at the end of the video. But first, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, drop those comments down below. Have you guys used this product? This is their Bullet B1. Full disclosure, they did send this out to the channel for free. These are fog lights. We're gonna be doing headlights in a later video, but we need to clean them up because they look just horrendous. Just awful. It's so bad. Anyway, we'll get to that in a later video. Today, guys, we're gonna be installing the fog lights. First, the reason I picked the fog lights is because I figured it would be easiest to see how bright they are before I change the headlights out. On this truck, I can't turn the fog lights on without the headlights as well, like I can in my 6-liter. So one thing I will say guys, just one concern, I haven't installed these yet. They are in here. Oops, I'll get that. They are in here. I haven't messed with them. They are really small profile, which I like. In the past, I've had issues with LEDs not fitting in this platform, so I'm interested to see how they do. Let's pull one of these out. The packaging is really nice. And pull these guys out. Who's texting? Really nice metal, like this is an aluminum construction here, so good. This will dissipate heat well. That is an issue with LEDs, is they get hot. Nice and small. I've used LEDs in the past and these things were huge. So we'll see. These bottom guys are going to put up with a fair amount of abuse because they're so close to the road. I'm excited. Now, I did buy cheap ones before and they did okay, but the light pattern was awful. That was from a different brand. So I am excited to really test these out. The light output on this truck is terrible right now because it's just cheap, super cheap bulbs. Also, nice cord here. Just a nice product. I really do like it. The construction's super nice. I have no complaints. I'm just curious about fitment, and I think the fog lights will do fine. I am more worried about the headlights. We'll get to that later. Although the headlights aren't much bigger than this, I think it might work. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get to this install right now. Okay, so my dad still has his license plate on, which makes it a little hard to come in here and do anything. I don't have the license plate on mine. Maybe if you have small arms, but I kind of have big arms. So that makes this a lot less fun. The easiest thing to do would probably be to take the grill off, but I don't really feel like doing that. Let's see what we can get underneath. Okay, so I lied. If you have this here, I can't get my arm back there. So the grill, 4 screws up top, 2 if somebody took the other 2 out for some reason, like this. But then you can just reach down here and much easier turn these and get these out. Counterclockwise brings these bulbs out. And it's probably hard to see, but there's 2 locking tabs on the side, or excuse me, there's one locking tab on the front here. Just pry up and pull out. So these bulbs are fine, there's nothing wrong with them. They're just not really bright. So now with the new bulb, I'm actually going to put it in first. These aren't as sensitive. Like oil, if you get on this cover, can mess it up. Like I know I'm not being super careful by just putting it down there, but you guys get what I'm saying. Be careful. You don't want to mess this up prematurely, but it will be fine for the most part. So we're going to bring this down here. So I don't know how well this is showing up on camera, but I think it's quite obvious the one on the driver's side has a lot more light output than the old halogen. One nice thing I did just notice on these is on this side, it actually, I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but it gives you your positive and negative so you can line it up with the factory harness. We'll get the other one in and I'm going to give you a quick little brief talk about what I think about them so far. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about these guys, besides the fact that they're super bright, obviously it's daylight out, we can't really see how bright they are quite yet. We're gonna do that later tonight, and then later we're gonna change. Next is the headlights. Those bulbs are getting changed. I wanna clean the lenses on the fogs and headlights up. They're getting pretty old, and they get beat up by the sun, and they just need redone, cleaned up, and re-clear coated, and they'll be fine. Got plenty of years left in them. But I've had LEDs in the past, and what I noticed right off the bat is these fans are super quiet. Previously, you could hear the fans with the truck off. You didn't notice them when the truck was running, but when I turned it off and just had lights on, you would hear them right now, and I can't hear anything. Like if I get really close, I can hear a very, very quiet hum, but you'll probably never notice that it's ever on at all. Even with all four of them, I doubt I'll ever notice it, but they're super bright. They'll light up nicely. And I gotta say, the craftsmanship, top notch. I'm really excited to actually see how bright these are later tonight when I go driving. Didn't like I had to take the grill off, but it was easiest besides trying to wrestle around that plate. If you have that license plate on, then this is the easiest way. And it's pretty quick to take a grill off. It's not bad. Guys, another thing, hoodie season's here, merchandise down in the description. I should have the merch shelf on YouTube that has some of our links to our merch, take you to the website over at Teesprings, get you some 6.0 Bro merch. Affiliate links to this product down in the description below. Fitment on the fog lights, perfect. We'll see how it goes when we do the headlights. Again, these are a smaller footprint, so I actually think we'll be okay. Compared to the other ones had a really big fan, like it was monstrous. I made it work, but it was terrible. So I'm excited for these here and to get the fog lights in. Also, we got to redo the grill. Guys, big update on the truck. Jared over at Kill Devil Diesel had messaged me earlier today, actually like less than an hour ago, letting me know that the build in a box is done. It's coming up, it's getting ready to ship, it's all finished, and we are ready. Guys, we're on our way to the 6.0 being back on the channel. It hurts a little bit being the 6.0 Bros, and I'm 6.0-less. I like the 7 tree, but I need my 6 liter back. Anyway, guys, I know some of you guys are excited about that, so I wanted to let you know we will have more updates in the future on it, especially when it arrives over at DNA. I'm gonna try to catch some video of seeing it. My schedule is crazy right now, so I probably won't be able to really be over there much, but I will go over and at least get some shots of the engine. Excited for that. If you guys like this upload, please smash that subscribe button. Big shout out to Boslla, I think I'm saying that correctly, for sending this out to the channel for a review. They've been very patient because they sent this out a while ago. Just life happens, and I don't do this full time, so I'm just doing the best I can. So shout out to those guys for their patience. I really appreciate it. I think they're starting to think I'm not going to do the review. Go check those guys out. Like I said, LED guys, these aren't cheap. I've bought cheap LEDs in the past, and you pay for the quality. That's one thing I've noticed. And while I can't attest to the longevity of these, I will say this: really nice finish on these. Really, the other ones, before I put them in, I'll really do like a good overview of them so you guys can see it, but very impressed with the craftsmanship that I can see on this so far. So anyway, guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop your comments down below. LEDs you've tried, have you had experience with these? What'd you think? I'll see you in the next upload. Okay, guys, so we're gonna quick get some night shots out here. I'm obviously gonna turn the light on the camera off, so it's all the LEDs. So I'm gonna quick turn all of the lights on here, then we're gonna quick talk. Well, I'll show you without the lights on, without the LED bulbs down here, then I'll show you with them so you can see the difference that happens here. So let's get to it. So pretty dark here is really what I'm getting at. So here I am in front of the truck, not super bright. Like I said, you can't really see anything over here. You can in real life, just on the camera it's not picking it up. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that, like, we're not super far from the truck, we're only like 7 feet, but you know, the truck, oh, they're so bright, I gotta stop looking at them. So anyway, super bright, guys. I hope this kind of does show it a little bit. Trust me, I love the construction of these bulbs, the fitment, perfect, and they're super bright, super happy with them. We're going to be putting the high beam or the head bulbs in next, and we'll go from there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this upload. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, affiliate link down in the description, and I'll see you in the next upload.